Vlogmas, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Aaliyah J. If you're not new, welcome back. Today we're on Vlogmas day what? I don't know. I've just been gone in the wind, doing everything. Yesterday, Justin was over here. My friend Justin, you guys already know who that is. He actually slept the night and yesterday he left. We took a nap. We were so tired. It was Sunday, so you know how Sundays are. We was watching Love Island. Let me show you guys. Hi guys. Happy Vlogmas.
Oh my god, it's Vlogmas.
Yes.
You gonna do it every day?
Every single day.
You're not giving up this time?
No.
No?
I'm not giving up. I know everybody banking on me to give up, but this time I'm going full throttle. Like, I'm going in. But look who I got with me.
I'm at Aaliyah's house.
Yes.
And she got no water, so I'm dehydrated.
The water is on the way. I just ordered water. I drank all of it.
I told her to put ice in the microwave. I feel like that would work.
He
You should
just
try it.
that will
And
not
blow your
work.
house up.
Yeah, exactly. Today, we like low key just got up. What time is it? It's 2:23. We got up like 2 hours ago.
I heard about like, yo.
We went to sleep at like
8.
Did we?
Nah.
Oh. We
Maybe
went
like 6.
Yeah, maybe like 6. We went out last night.
Had mad fun.
We had mad fun. We was actually supposed to like have a full like cute day yesterday,
God.
but guess who ruined the day?
Yo, I've been in New York not even a full week. And I've been out like every day. Like, she's had me like outside.
Nah, you have. I missed you. That's why.
That's why I keep coming out. Like,
I know.
I keep blaming you, but I'm like, let me go.
He keep trying to
I
flop.
told her last night, I'm not going. I said, I'm not going. Like, not for nothing. Like, da-da-da.
He texted me the day before, like,
She called
I'm
me.
not coming.
She called me like, what you doing? I'm like, all right, I'll go.
No, because we were supposed to go to a restaurant. We were supposed to go out to eat, get all dressed, and then go out. And
No.
we were supposed to do all of that.
I need
but
to recover. She got me watching Love Island right now.
yeah, we
Y'all
watching Love
Does
Island.
the UK one give more? Because I heard the UK one give more, but she don't like it, she said.
I just can't get into it. Like, I can't get into like the accent. Like, I can't understand them. Like, no shade.
That's how some people feel with the music. Like UK rappers.
I'm showing them the one with what season is this?
One?
No, season 5. The one with KK and Leonardo and Imani. Imani is my girl. Like, I love Imani. You're gonna see her.
Yeah, I need to
But
know what's the big thing. with
We
this show.
literally like on like 7 minutes in. We're gonna watch it and let y'all know what we think. Well, what he think. So today is a brand new day. It is Monday and whew, I'm just feeling so lucky and so blessed. Like, this morning I woke up and I was just like, wow, I have a really great life, you know? Obviously, I'm striving for more and I'm going after better, and I know what I want out of life. And I know God will bless me with that and bless me with so much more also. But where I'm at right now is so amazing. I have the opportunity to be creative and be a CEO and just be myself. I can just do whatever the hell I want when I want. Like, I'm real life bossy. Like, it's just so crazy. I think I just look at it also from another point of view as well, because like, you guys have seen me in so many bad relationships and even friendships, and like, for me to be able to have like my best friend over my house and we just like nap the day away together and just chill and wake up and talk shit, like, that was so fun. And then on top of that, like, I have someone romantic wise that I absolutely adore and that adores me, and that is just such a blessing, like, in general. And then like, you know, I have my family. I don't know, I'm just seeing things for what it is and just being happy with where I am. I know nothing is gonna be the same in a year. Like, I'm probably gonna be so busy where I'm not even gonna be able to see my friends, probably not even like, you know, see my boyfriend as much. But I am so lucky, and you know, I think I'm also really lucky to be in a relationship and be with somebody that does not stress me out and does not like betray me, or like, I don't have to question their loyalty, and I just don't have to like worry, you know? Like, I'm super secure in my relationship. And so, and not even just in my relationship, I think within myself. Like, I'm just so secure within myself right now, and I have never felt more powerful ever in life. And so I'm just, you know, thanking God for all of the things that he has given me, like water, food, you know, a voice to speak, the ability to even hold this camera, the ability to even see the world. Like, those things are things that you need in life to get where you want to go or do what you want to do. And once it's taken away, you will never be able to be the same. If you're watching this and you're struggling with a hard time to notice the good things about your life, hear this as a message. I hope this is getting through to you, because, you know, things are not always easy, and sometimes we cry and we be brats about the small things, like, oh, I want this bag, or I want this, and I want to do this. And it's like, none of that stuff really matters if you're really happy. Like, I am genuinely happy right now, and I have been feeling like this for the past 2 weeks, and I think I'm just now saying it out loud. Like, I just woke up today like, wow. So today I'm headed to the grocery store. I'm gonna do a lot of grocery shopping today, a lot of house shopping. I need a lot of things in my fridge. You know, it's time to restock. And so today is really like a grocery store day. It's also Monday, so it's kind of like a day to kind of, you know, come to, like, get everything together. My Mondays are always like my most busiest days. Like, that's the day that I like get everything together. Like, I make my to-do list. So Wednesdays are my meetings this week, and then tomorrow I actually have a photo shoot, so you guys are gonna come with me there. So make sure you guys tune in tomorrow, because I'm gonna be out and about in the streets. So I already kind of made my to-do list. I gotta go to Trader Joe's, aka the grocery store. I'm going to other grocery stores, but I just didn't put it. I do need to do my laundry, and I need to order some vision board stuff, and then I need to order this like container on Amazon. It's like a box. This is it's not a sorry, someone texted me my Karen and Rita group chat. Also, that's something that we're gonna talk about, but we're gonna talk about that more in probably like another video. Like, Karen and Rita, I think I've said this already, but like, Karen and Rita is about to do a lot of things. I have like so much stuff on the way. I haven't ate today. I need to eat before I get to the grocery store. I'm not trying to be in a grocery store and be starving. I am not doing that. Before I do that, I'm gonna put my clothes in the laundry, and then I'm gonna kind of just tidy up and get ready to go to the grocery store. Alright, you guys, so I'm finally back home from the grocery store. I went to Trader Joe's first, I went to Target second, but I didn't really find anything at Target that I needed. Like, Target doesn't have like the real groceries that I need, so I ended up going to ShopRite, and I got every single thing I need. I just got stuff for the house. I also got this from Trader Joe's. It's an advent calendar for dogs. I got two, because I got this for Maxie and I got this for Ginger. Maxie is my sister's dog. Well, his name is Maxon, but we call him Maxie or Max. And then Ginger is my mom's dog. It says salmon and sweet potato dog treats. It's like a few things in here, but I want to give this to the dogs for Christmas. They got the first Christmas gift for me this holiday because I love animals. If you guys know, you know I love animals. This is all the stuff I got from the grocery store. I'm gonna make some jerk salmon tonight. So I'm about to have a Jamaican pineapple cola. I'm about to put these groceries away. I got a little bit of everything, so. All right, guys, so I just finished putting away all the groceries. This is the salmon I get from Trader Joe's. It is the best salmon I have ever tasted in my life. It's like 4 pieces. I usually would buy this like super fresh because that's like how I grew up. Like my mom always like goes to the fish market and, you know, gets that. But I tried it from Trader Joe's one time and I probably will never go to the fish market. Like this is like perfect for me because it's good enough amount pieces for me to have like tonight and tomorrow. Medium firm texture, so like that's perfect for me because I hate slimy salmon, like hate. I'm just waiting for it to thaw out. And I got this Jamaican jerk seasoning from Stop and Shop. It's by Grace. I have never made jerk salmon before, so I'm not sure what it's gonna taste like. I'm trying something new. You guys know I've been like cooking lately, so we're gonna see what it's given. I have some jerk salmon here. It's not cooked yet, but I was letting it marinate for like an hour. So now I'm about to, where is the olive oil? Oh, here it is. So now I'm about to cook everything up. I'm actually cooking this for the regular salmon for tomorrow so that we can have food because I do have a busy day tomorrow. I just spent my day with Justin. He just called me and invited me out to a play, so I'm gonna go there with him and we're gonna kind of have like a night, like we're gonna go out to eat. Basically what we were supposed to do Saturday. Did we go out? We did actually end up going out, but we were supposed to like go out, like get dressed, get cute, but Justin had something to do that he had forgot about, and so we kind of like ditched the plans or whatever. So now we're kind of gonna like just do that tomorrow. This is what the regular salmon looks like, seasoned very well. That's gonna cook in this pot. And then the jerk is gonna cook in this one. All right, so we're gonna take some of the jerk and put that. I never made jerk salmon. I really hope it's good, you guys. Like seriously. Oh my God, that just popped me. I hope. So this is what the jerk is looking like so far. And this is what the regular Cajun is looking like. So I'm finished cooking. Let me show you what it's looking like. Here we got the Cajun, what is this, salmon. And here we have the jerk, you guys. And then we got some rice. It's still cooking a little bit, but I'm starving, so I'm about to like literally scoop this up right now. I love this rice cooker. I will never cook rice on another pot ever again. It's by Black & Decker. I'm just gonna use paper plates for right now because I just don't feel like it. All right, so let me get some rice. Oh my God, this looks so good. So we got rice. I'm gonna get some jerk, a jerk piece. I can't believe I just made this. All right, it's time to taste it. Here it is. Rice bomb, of course. Let's taste this jerk. Oh, I can really cook. You guys, I seasoned it and put the jerk on it. Wow. I'm proud of myself. I'm not the best cooker, obviously, but I'm just now really learning how to cook. Like, for real, for real. Like, I understand the concept now. Before, I was too worried about getting money, working, being outside. Now, I'm, like, really a homebody girl. Like, I can really cook now. I'm so happy. I gotta eat my food. I gotta turn this vlog off. I will see you guys once I'm done. I'm so full right now. That was like one of the best meals I've made. I am so shocked at myself cooking. I'm probably gonna be saying this all Vlogmas, but I am really shocked. Cooking is this easy. I think it's always been this easy. I think I just never took the time to learn. I'm actually making mac and cheese in a few days, so if you guys want to see that, make sure you come to my channel. I need to digest my food and like sit down. I'm finally in the bed. I am all showered and clean. If you know anything about me, you know I wear my pajamas for like 3 days. And so it is about 1 a.m. in the morning. I have to get up really early to do a photo shoot. Today was a pretty chill day. Wasn't nothing too crazy. It was just one of those normal days, you know. It's a Monday. This vlog was probably pretty short, but listen, we got 31 days to go. So make sure you guys are tuning in to my Vlogmas. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. The whole 9, okay? I gotta go to bed. I gotta get up early. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.